day na, guys. Baba tayo. Ang room namin nasa 3rd floor. So, pinaka-mataas kami. Baba tayo. Si Dan at saka si Indy. Bumaba na yun kaninang mga 7. Tapos naiwan ako sa bed kay Arlo. Chika-chika kami ni Arlo. Tapos, bumaba na din si Arlo nung bumangon na ako. Nauna na siya makababa sa akin. Naghilamos pa ako dun eh. Tapos ganyan, sasalubungin ka ni Spider-Man. Tapos may baba, nandun si Wonder Woman. Nakita mo yung ano niya legs. Good morning! Didi? Okay. Where you going, Di? Alo, put your shoes on. Kape tayo, guys. Morning! Morning! Have you eaten? So, kagabi, umalis kami, diba? Pagbalik namin dito, dumaan kami ng 7-Eleven, tapos dumaan kami ng bakery. Para si D, kasi, alam kasi namin na maaga siya magigising, guys. So, ayun na, nakakain na ng bread. Sus, kabuyag. Oh! Ano kinakain mo? Bakit Oreo? Yeah? Hindi ra, agad anin ikaw naman yung Oreo. Good morning! Manakaligo, ma? Yeah. May ano, wala na. Nakain na siyang bread. Nakapi na ka? Wala pa. Kapi ka? Babe, do you want this coffee?
What coffee do we have?
We have... That one's like a 3-in-1 coffee with sugar in it.
Yeah, and what coffee do we have?
We have just pure black.
Yeah, just take that with sugar
Milk.
and 2 sugars.
2 sugars and milk. Pinsa man eh? Kadan?
Oh, dati.
Thank you.
Oh.
Tapos na maligo si mama, oh. Wala ang mama, oh. Lagi. Pangura ka.
Punta.
Ako yung gusto sa boys. Itlog na yan na ba? Unsa pa man sa itlog.
Basta ngita pag parang kumaka. Yan, kumakonta.
Lagi. Meron kaming mga snacks, guys, pero wala kaming ano, yung maluluto ba? Tapos meron kasi silang lutuan dito, tapos meron pang, as in, pwede talaga magluto. Alam mo yun? Meron mga ano dun sa, may guard dun sa ano yun, labas. Yung karaoke namin kahapon, hindi siya nag-work, tapos may, inano lang sila Marlon para ayusin yun. And inayos na niya. So, nakaka-karaoke kami. Morning to din, ma? Morning, init? O, kana na?
Ito man. Oh.
Oo, steak. Tama na yung sugar. Wala, steak pa rin. Sorry? Wala mo siya, ma? Ho? Ho? Chicken wings yung tawag ni Uwin. Tito Wings. Tito Wings? First door on the 2nd floor. He's calling Merwin chicken wings. Kakalaro nila yan kung ano-ano lang tinatawag. Kung hindi Tito Wally, chicken wings. No, he's inside the room.
Hindi na ka magkuyog na eh.
The first door, as soon as you go up, the first door.
Go up the stairs and your first door you'll see. That's your chicken wings. No,
Not all the way up, just
This
the first door you will see.
This thing. Walk up the stairs, first door you see. Say chicken wings.
Ay, anak niya.
Dracula.
She did? Yay! Good job! Yeah, ito din. Binili namin to kahapon sa 7-Eleven.
Tik-tik naman. Ano to?
Okay. There you go. This is your coffee. Try it.
Hindi.
Di! Ay, balik tayo sa kupik ko. Ang sarap ng kupik ko. Kaya lang yung ano kasi nito, sugar. Ayaw, ma? Wait, sa. I-on pa. Saan na? Wait, sa. I-on. Dili ko yaw, ma. Manamang tos.
Ang kamay ilang gibutang mo. Wala sa kabutang na lain. Din ako yun. Mas nindot ang gasol nga nas gawas.
Ano ba?
You got a lot of?
Like that. How about
You
this?
got this set to grill.
Yeah, well, I tried it over here. I tried it in the middle.
Nah, that'd be the middle.
Okay.
Has to be the middle. Can't be grill. Can't be oven.
Well, I did it right. Ginising yan talaga si chicken wings. Oh, what's that? Shh.
It's gas. You turn
Okay.
before you turn it.
Ah, ma!
Okay. Sige, palit na.
I-on na din gas.
You didn't turn the gas on. It's so nice.
I don't know how to do that.
O, ang kita isa tayo hagi. Okay ka na.
So when you finish with it,
Yeah, ma.
turn it off.
Ha?
Kung mauma na daw ka, i-off ang gas.
Are you cooking? Are you cooking?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, what she needs to buy stuff first. Eggs and...
Turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off. I-off sa niya. Indy! Hello! Ang saya-saya niya dito. Purya-buyag. Yeah? You wanna see the guys here? Hi, everyone! You happy? Yeah? Daddy's got you changing stuff. You're good. Daddy, look. Good, Dada. Where's Daddy? Where is Tito Waynes? Did you wake him up? Did you wake him up, Alo? And? No, he's Tito Waynes. Ana showin. Where's chicken wings? Kumakain siya. Can you show me your bread? What is it? Ensaymada. You're gonna finish it and then what do you want after? Peanuts?
Maybe Mentos.
Mentos? Okay.
I thought we have Mentos yet. And I eat that Mentos. It's my move Mentos.
Oh, nakapalit! That's alright. Nakapalit mag-bacon.
Bacon.
Yeah, asa man?
Ito sa, sa amin?
Ah, okay. Oh, Alo likes that.
I do like it.
No, that's the biscuit that I put in your lunchbox. You like that one?
It was disgusting.
Ah. What do you say to Tito and Lula? What's his name? What's his name?
Chicken wing.
What?
Chicken wing.
Louder.
Chicken wing.
Kara. Huh? Uy, that's a good nickname na. What's his name?
Wings.
Chicken wing.
Hindi ko na na-vlog. Tapos na kami kumain. Oh.
Ega.
Hi guys. Si ano na lang. Si Mark. Tsaka si Ayla. Tulog pa kasi si Ayla nandun sa taas. Didi, hello. Hi. Let's take a shower, Di. Shower tayo. Kasi meron kaming ano, alis kami mamaya. 1:30 appointment natin? 1:30 ang aming appointment. May pupuntahan kami.
Mom, yes, the girl love. Yes,
Sorry?
the dad.
Oh yeah, let me finish this. Hello guys. Tapos na kami maligo.
Mama, why does your shower have no water?
There's water. It just doesn't go warm enough. It's a bit cold. Sa baba kami nag-shower sa kwarto ni Mama at saka ni Miss kasi mas maganda yung tubig dun.
And there's no curtains.
There's no curtains in this one, no. Because it's got this door. Yeah, may shower dito. Okay siya kung cold shower lang. Pero kapag sinet mo na siya sa hot, hindi na siya tumutulo ng malakas. I mean, tulo lang siya. Hindi siya like shower. Do you wanna go now? You can go. Or do you wanna wait for me?
I think I'm gonna go right now.
Okay. Just be careful, okay? I love you. Yes. Where's your other shoe, Alo?
I don't know.
So, sinabay ko yung tatlo, maligo. Oh, actually, no. Indy at saka Arlo. And then, pagkatapos ni Indy, si Ayla. So, tigda dalawa. And, okay na. Tapos na kami. It's 10:33 ng umaga. Nandito si Arlo naglalaro. Si Ayla kakababa lang. And si Indy nasa baba. Pinapatulog ata ni Mama. Kasi antok na yun kanina. Pinashower ko lang muna para fresh na siya. And speaking of Indy, she's so happy, guys. Masaya siya dito. Pagkadating namin dito sa bahay, nakita niya si lola niya, yung mga tita niya. Lumapit siya sa lahat. She was so happy. Na-vlog ko ata yun. And then, yung unang gising niya, like, that morning, kasi madaling araw kami dumating, diba? Tapos natulog kami. That morning, she was so happy. Like, masaya lang talaga siya. Kailangan lang talaga bantayan kasi nakita niyo naman dun sa baba, meron pa siyang stairs pababa pa sa basement. Really good. Gusto niya, nagagala-gala kami. So, kapag umaalis kami, nasa pram lang siya. And happy lang siya. So, naglagay lang ako ng aking Seapori Scalpy Hair Serum from Yes-Style. Hindi ko alam kung meron silang dito, plancha. Kasi parang kailangan ng plancha ng aking outfit today. I'm wearing this linen pants from Zara and this linen top from Zara as well. Tapos yung sandal ko lang this holiday is ito lang. The sandal from Charles and Keith. Tapos yung isang dala kong footwear is chinelas na Havaianas para sa beach. Tsaka sa resort. So we're here hanggang bukas. Kasi 24 na bukas, guys. And then mag-Christmas Eve sa bahay. At tapos binyag ni Indy. And then alis tayo, magre-resort tayo. Tapos balik sa bahay ng ilang araw. And then magre-resort na naman tayo ng iba na naman resort. So, that's the schedule. And then, uwi na. Diba? Kakarating lang. Parang, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari nitong susunod na mga araw. Wala silang dito. Hair dryer. Pero baka si Tita Sisi meron pala. DOC. Kasi kailangan ko i-straight yung buhok ko mamaya. Kailangan ko din planchahin itong aking fit. Alright. Alright, let's go downstairs. Ang aga pa. It's only 10:37. And yung appointment namin ata, yun nga sabi ni Miss 1:30 daw. Siya kasi nag-asikaso nun.
Is it six,
Alright, let's go.
7?
Ito yung ating fit na guso talaga. Kailangan talaga natin ng plancha. Kung walang plancha, sana umayos to babaya. Where's Alo?
Yeah.
Where's Oilo?
27.
We're leaving Tito Wayne's. Bye-bye, Tito Wayne. He's not coming with us. Is that okay?
Why do you not
You've been mean to him. Were you mean to him? When you were looking for your mommy.
everything?
You punched it away.
Oh, no, Alo. No punching. Dito na kami, guys. Papaano kami ni Miss? Jotok. O kung ano-ano pang natin dito. Turok. Ang aga. We're 30 minutes early.
Pwede po.
Kayo, sige, try daw na to, Miss. Juanadella. Dito tayo.
Magtambay.
Tambay man ang whole family. Please use main entrance.
Inday.
Susunod. Chanelas.
No, no,
Naiwan.
no.
Yeah. Guys, tapos na ako guys. Naging vegeta na daw ako.
Ay, vegeta.
Ay, vegeta.
May mga umbok-umbok na si ate.
Numb yung aking mukha. Numb yung aking mukha. So, dito din siguro no? Cross.
Yeah, giapin ko na po.
As in. So, nagpa-botox kami dito. Ay, nagpa-botox ako dito. Tapos sa Joe. Tapos meron pa ako isang procedure. Ano nga ulit yung akin, guys?
Ultra Performa. Para siyang Ultra therapy.
Yeah, kalimutan ko na guys. Basta yun yung ginawa. Iniisip ko lang the whole time. Ang tagal-tagal na maghihintay ng mga tao sa labas. Natanong ko si ate. Sabi ko, ate, okay lang ba? Wala ba umiyak na bata dun? Sabi niya, ma'am, okay ra kay ma'am. Uy, lingaw raman kay to imong anak dito. Sabi niya kasi isang oras. I was there for more than 2 hours.
More than 2 hours?
Yeah, more than 2 hours. Sige, kung check sa time. Yeah. Kasi si Dan naghihintay kaya. Tapos yung mga bata, sila ang boys, sila lahat. Ito nga paglabas ko tulog. Karga-karga siya ni mama. Tapos si Indy, masaya naman, naka-pram lang. Tapos si Ayla nasa shoulder ni, kanino yun? Sinong nagdala kay Ayla? Marlon. Yeah, anyway. Papunta kami sa Ayala. Because Arlo's got, how much money do you have, May? 100 pesos. Pili daw siya toy with his... Huh? You're not buying? You're buying something with your 100 pesos?
Ballerina? Ballerina?
Huh?
45
45? Dito kami guys sa Army Navy. Dito kami sa Ayala Terraces. Ha? Okay. Si Indy, pinagpapawisan. Tingnan niyo yan si Dio. Batang bail, oh. Walang tsinelas. Hello! Careful! Grabe, oh. Yung ulo niya. Pinagpapawisan, basang-basa na sa pawis. Init. Hindi siya like super sunny, pero apaka-humid. Super humid.
Yak ite.
Ano?
Yak barbecue kana
Asa man na?
Dapit rin sa may lahog ra pud ni. Ay may puente.
So, tonight?
Iya, kana daw ka doon na.
Hindi na, siguro sa kaon din.
Gabi.
Hello! Hello! Sige.
Thank you, Mama.
You're very welcome, my love.
Manay extra di ang alipuranan man.
Ano naman?
And you want the bubble cake.
Okay, thank you.
And you want the bubble cake.
You're welcome, baby.
Bayde, bango sa mga tiyo. Dami kayo.
Naanak ko ka ng rice, hindi, be?
Yan, kana ko sa
Yeah, that looks good. Dito na yung ibang food. Nachos. Diyan yung bangus ni Miss.
This doesn't matter. Should be right. Should be right.
Rice. Rice.
See the chips coming in? Should be right.
Yeah.
Yeah, should be right. I'll just take it for a while.
Okay, sige. Dito na yung mga order namin. Ang bango-bango ng sisig. Hello! Hello!
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Happy New Year. Here you go, Alo. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Thank you. Thank you, Miss. Here in the... There you go, Alo. Go there. That looks good, Alo. That's a lot of pancake. Nag-burger si Dan. Yung crunchy taco din, naubos na niya
Can we put
kanina.
butter on it or no butter?
And look, parang sarap ng fries. Maliliit. Hello!
What? You want to cut it?
Si Indy
Can I help?
Hello! Down, down. Tutok na nga lang natin sa kanya.
Okay, let me know. I'm good at cutting.
I'm good at Ella.
Oh,
You let me know when you need me, okay? then?
happy nga kasi si D. Wala pang tulog yan. Alright, I'll try the sisig. Sabi ni ate, ang sarap daw ng sisig nila. Lami, ano? Uy, in fairness, yung sarap na.
I need some help.
Lami. Lami, ang kain. Kain.
It's nice and fluffy, I think, this one.
And four.
Yeah, that looks really good, the pancake.
I've cut it all this here for you already. Just, there you go. So
Sarap
eat that
ng
bit
rice.
first and I'll cut more later.
Yung garlic rice nila, ang sarap. Ano yung garlic rice no? Masarap din daw yung bangus, sabi ni Miss. Hindi ba kaya kayo?
Then. Which one do these big bites?
Lagi no? Init na kayo eh. Masarap din yung bangus. Yeah? See? Water? Yeah, lami ang bangus.
And I'll give you a pancake. Don't.
Thank you, sir. Busog naman ni.
Six, seven.
Hello. Hello.
Asking
for your money. Yeah.
Hello.
Keep eating, Arlo. Keep eating, buddy. Good boy.
Hello.
Cute na ni mo diha di oy. Okay. Lami ang sisig niya. Manghang.
Ako na po, ako din next time.
Yeah. So, dapat.
Spicy daw. It's right out here.
What do you mean spicy? What's spicy?
It's not spicy.
What happened? Okay. Oh no, what's that?
It's from a swimwear.
Oh, okay.
What is it, Dad? What is it?
I'm not sure. Let me check, okay? Later. Not here because there's a lot of people. Good luck putting her in the pram. No, not yet. Let's let her play. Pili na sila ng toys nila. May pera sila eh. Oh, that's a phone. How much money do you have, Alo? Oh, 2 monies. Whoa, so cool. Can we put that back because that one looks, yeah, see, it looks yucky, that one. See?
the toilet as well?
143, sir.
Sorry, 143?
Yes, sir.
Alo, do you want to ask how much this is? Go ask her.
That one looks better than this one.
I know, that's why I took this. Pila ni miss?
110 na.
How much is that?
Again, louder.
How much is that?
110. How much money do you have? 2 monies? Yeah, is that enough?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, give it to her. Say, I want to buy this, please. Give her your money. Both of them.
Receive 150.
Eh? You take it and you know what to say, okay? Alright, come on. Yes, please. Thank you, miss.
Monster.
Monster! Oh no, I'm scared.
Mama, it's not real, Mom. Just do it.
Okay. It won't bite me?
Yeah. See, it doesn't move.
Okay, you sure?
I told you it doesn't move. Oh, no, it doesn't move.
Alright, you know what to say to the lady, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, and you say it really loud so she can hear.
Hey, Mama, too.
Yeah.
I'm doing
Wala pa.
Mommy, yucky.
Sige, bubblegum.
Oh yeah, bubblegum, Ayla.
Oh, the biggest one.
No bubblegum? Or do you want smaller?
Ayla. Look, you know what to say. Say it really loud.
Hey, Mama,
Thank you, miss. Alright.
Mama, hold it.
You wanna hold it? Can I have the receipt?
$143.
Yeah?
Love the money.
Okay, yep.
And
This is your money left, okay? You have how much? 40. 40. Remember that, okay? I got you money?
buy something for money. You can buy something for money.
I can buy something with this?
Yeah.
Thank you, Alo.
Russian candy, same as before.
And you know what to say, okay, Ayla?
Mama?
No, thank you, Alo.
Mama,
Nasa isukle 40 ba? Mommy, that's yours, okay? You can buy whatever you want. Garag mo, 40. Yeah, no.
That's for me.
It's mine.
Get the receipt, ate, and you know what to say.
That's so big.
Yeah. Yeah. You say it really loud, Bob, so they can hear.
What's that? Mama, do you want this?
No.
Okay, strawberries.
You think so?
This one's Mama. This one's Mommy.
Let's put your receipt and change it there, Arlo.
Actually, I can put the receipts in that bag. Punta tayo, bench. Bilhin natin yung perfume ni Ayla. Naubos na yun. Grabe mag-perfume tong ano ko.
I just Spider-Man.
Wow! Amazing! Alright, go Ayla. Look for your perfume, baby. Hanapin niya daw perfume niya. See, it smells good. Look for your perfume. Kami, Alo.
Uy, nice ba ilang pants dito?
Yeah? Maybe get the set, babe. Which one's your favorite color? Do you remember?
Excuse me, you're going to be 6 years old to buy these, sweetheart.
Dunkin, guys! Pili tayo Dunkin. Come on, Alo. Atong munchkin, miss. Do you want anything? Come here, malap.
450 available, ma'am.
Isa ka bakit? Chocobat. Ah, wala?
Wala 349. 450.
450 pila ka po?
40 hapon.
Ah, sige. Chocobat or not macarons. Yes, please. Abutang. Pila ka plate, miss? 30, 10? 30 ka chocobat or not, miss. Thank you. Tapos 10 ka chocolate. Salamat, miss. Thank you.
Nandito kami sa Everbelen na nagtatry ng mga brand.
Nagtatryer.
Nakigamit na ito.
Sana mo
Dili na sayop ni.
Kalmar ka. I'm here, babe. Babe.
Ano deh? Itu ada dapat. Ano na, player lah.
Musta na pagmumukha natin dyan. Marami akong ano dito kanina, bumps eh. Sa dami na inject ni ate. Ni Doc pala ni Doc. Uy! Hi! Salamat! Thank you! Yeah. Hanap kaming Filipiniana, guys.
Anna, should we just cut it
Small.
off the phone?
Try Ayla. Is it too big? Try.
Oh, you're not going to get much smaller, are you?
That's extra small. Grab that one, please. That one. Ayla, let me see, ate. Yeah, extra small yan. Naghanap na si ano, oh. Miss.
Is it a bit itchy?
I like it, Mom.
Wala extra small.
She doesn't like it. Is it itchy?
That's okay. Let's take it off. Nice na. Yeah.
Find it.
May tag extra small. Tawag lang hindi. Dito. Ampay ni vlog.
Wide angle.
Hi, ate. Hello. Hello.
Ayla with the Filipino.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Excellent. I just wanted to call you and personally wish you a Merry Christmas. I hope you're enjoying your gifts. What a wonderful call we've had. But I must dash now. The elves and I are working very hard to
No,
get
no.
everything.
Hello guys, this is what I got, and I'm going to open it right now. Do you want to see? So this is how it opens. Careful, scissors.
Where is it from? Show the guys where is it from this brand. What is it?
I don't know how to read.
Bench.
What? It's a bit hot. Here, we get it. Here. I got 3 packets. This is the purple one. It's large too. And this is the pink one, large. This one is the green one, large. Why do everything touch the wall wire? And this is, let's smell it. Right? That smells good. Everything touch the wall wire. That smells good one too. Why do everything touch the wall wire?
You have to tell them your favorite too.
Why do everything touch the wall? Why do everything touch the wall?
Isa may tubig. Ito na mo.
And that one doesn't even smell like anything. What? No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
That smells my favorite. This one is my favorite.
That was the last one. Which one's your favorite?
Gatag ni kuha sa
Melanie,
ikang.
you love it.
Ayla.
Go first.
You like it?
Set na.
Is that your favorite? Ask Tita Rich which one's your favorite.
Which one's your favorite pizza? I don't know.
Ang bango ng pink, pero mas ang bango din ng green.
Pangbibi nga bako.
Oh,
What can green food?
no, ba't yung green sir? Yeah, ang bango ng green.
Green.
Green, no?
Green.
Bugay mo may pagbaho na day.
Ulit lang.
Your favorite color?
Yeah, pang bata. Guys, dinner! My goodness. Dinner or pulutan? Dinner at pulutan pala. Ayan, oh. Mag-grab kami ng barbecue. Ay, apakasarap. Ay, naku naman. Yung ang late na namin nag-lunch, pero ito, kain na naman. Tapos, ano na kami, iinuman na. Wah,
Asa ka siya?
inuman na
Papaada
kami.
na ako sa ate siya.
Sige, miss, na-adarin ko yun. Kaya ako magkakamay kasi may backbone, chicken backbone.
Ba nakugugas ha? Kasi nakugugas.
Itong pugong, ang binapugong na niya.
Thank you, Lord.
And then atay.
Eat na, uy. Atay.
Tapos
Uy,
bisig.
guys.
Oh my God.
Ang mahal. 22 pesos isa.
Mahal na, no?
22. Same lang siya ng presyo ng baboy.
Yeah.
Yung baboy, 22 din na.
Daily.
So ito, 22 din. Isa.
Yes. Burpees.
Unsa din ni day?
Siomay!
Oh, shumay.
Asa na i-open na? Yeah, may siomay, may nguyong.
Palayo ko open na ni mag shumay ma kay basa na akong kamot ma. Ma, palayo ko open na yung shumay ma.
Ready og laing plate do.
Yeah.
Kamo na
Daddy, no. Daddy, nothing.
Siomay.
Shook moy.
Kaya
Mo din nawag na ko chinilas de eh. Abi na ko magsawsaw ra ba kay
We also have
bugnaw ano?
watermelon.
Di man init.
buyong andyan. Naka-cover pa. And then, ay, ang siomay. Andun na pa yung siomay.
You want that? You want this? Oh. Kain si Arlo ng isa. Oh. Bite. Bite it. Yan. You like it? Yan. Good job. Good boy.
Yummy. Yummy.
Ibu ka ni. Hoy, Arlo.
Careful, you hit. You hit ha?
Good job.
Magkakailan
Mommy wants, Mama, I eat a big
Oh,
one.
ate siya ate.
Muka. Sabi ko.
Sabi, kaning tissue.
Ko. Saan naman?
Dili sa bata na.
Oh,
Kapag na-start na siya pinakilig na yan. Start na siya pinakilig.
Wala di makita si Marlon.
Hindi na
Sino
sila.
na kayo?
Nakakay pinalingkod-lingkod ito.
Oo nga, nila may pinasyal-syal.
Wala, okay na dali. Bate.
Actually, okay na nila. Okay na naman. Wala mo. Wala ka. Wala ka.
Ano magkakin?
Problema.
Gusto ba?
Sige.
Saan na po smile eh.
Paano ay ka nang na-reflect imong ay sa eyeglasses?
Imong glasses.
Isa ano ka sa mic?
Grabe, tatag ako naman ako.
Ano kilala ba? Dire yung...
Sige dama, asal. Si mama na magpicture gatangal.
Basta tarungan mo lang.
Tanong nga gusto natin. Ang padilig.
What? 7 to 3 to 3.
Anto, tayo lagi mo ah.
3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5.
Waki, waki.
Okay, sa itik lang.
Waki, waki.
Giwaki.
Wak, 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 wak.
Wali.
Wali, wali.
Wali.
Wali, wali, love, love, love.
Yeah.
Waki.
Ah, kani tanong.
Marlo, Marlo, arte kayo ba?
Ano ba? Sige na, dali, win. Ayaw
Ano?
mag...
Ana, di ay. Kailangan na dyan.
Sige na, ana ba? Bye. Makil, ana.
Madingers.
Ana, kilo, ana, kil. Ana, kil ba?
Sana ako na.
Alam mo.
Yung ngasag mga ulo.
Ano?
Ano ito, eh?
Kahit kinaya mo na may dalawa.
Muscle ka. Dili na mo kay Sari.
Surrender.
Napuno.
Wala, wala, dito kayo.
Uy, pa. Sige na.
Not funny.
Arlo's here. Arlo's head.
In fairness, happy ta.
Nailisa ni mo ulo. Nailisa ni mo ulo.
It's not funny now.
Hello.
I know it's not funny. Lola, it's Lola's fault.
Lola's phone.
Ako.
Alakan ka
Ang double chin.
Ah.
Uy, mga kuwan dyan na itong mga animis mo.
Bito, mga before na pag-uma.
It's your fault. I just can drop the face, Mama.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. I love you.
I love you. Good night, guys. Good night, guys. Good night, Superman. Let's go. Yeah, I love you. Night. Love you. My kiss. Good night.
I woke up in the North Garden.
You wanna do I woke up in the new Bugatti? You can ask Tito Marlon. Natutulog yan sa ano eh. Kwarto ni Miss at saka ni Mama. Tabi silang tatlo dun. Kasi hindi kami magkasya sa bed.
Now?
Babe,
You can do
the
it tomorrow.
floor is really dirty. Do it in Tito Marlon's house. Yeah.